Hey, are you looking for a AI website that can help you to make thumbnails like professional YouTubers in seconds? Then this video is for you. So, your first step is to go to the YouTube and download your favorite creator thumbnail to edit it. Go to the Grok AI, click on the upload file and upload your favorite thumbnail from your device which you have downloaded from the YouTube. This is the thumbnail that I have copied from the YouTube and now I will do changes in it with the help of Grok AI. In order to do the changes in the thumbnail which I have copied from the YouTube, I will just simply write there put a girl instead of man. You can also modify it however you would like to. You can also change the background or character or anything you would like to change it from the AI using AI. In the interface, Grok is generating our images and it will just generate it in 10 seconds. As it's now generated, now let's open it. You can see the differences between the previous image which I copied from the YouTube and the image which Grok generated me. You can make as many thumbnails as you want. Please do subscribe to my channel for such informative videos.